Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I always share all the online earning methods, only genuine working methods which are working and giving money to the users. So today I will tell you about a program which is 100% genuine and working from 2015, and many people are earning from this program. So today I will explain about it here. The name of this program is Champcase. I think if you have already listened the name of Champcase and have not taken it seriously, so today you have to take it seriously because it give you an opportunity to earn 5 crore rupees only in 7 months. So I have giving download link in this video description. So download the application from there and enter my team refer ID. If you are using this refer ID, when you install this application and enter refer ID, you will join my team. So today I will explain about this application, how it is work and how you can earn 5 crore rupees only in 7 months. So first of all, I want to tell you that this application working in all over the world. It is working in more than 288 countries. If you belong to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Australia, US, and from any country, because it working most of the countries. So friends, one main thing is that this application is 100% free. So you don't have to any investment here. It is zero investment. When you download this application, Champcase, Champcase give you $1 for free when you install this application, Champcase, and install 10 to 8 apps under Champcase, which Champcase providing. So I will explain here how this application working. So suppose you have download Champcase and join my team under this refer ID of sponsor. So suppose this is you who join under me. This is you. Wait. Suppose this is you. And you can join many pupils as you can. 10 pupils, 100 pupils, or 1000 pupils. As many as pupils you can join. Those pupils which you will join, those wills comes under you one level, first level. Those pupils come under you on first level. And when these first level pupils will join next pupils, they will comes under your second level. And when these second level pupils join another pupils, then these pupils will comes under your third level. And when these third level pupils join another pupils, they will comes under your fourth levels. And when these fourth level pupils join another pupils, they will comes under your fifth levels. And when these fifth level pupils join other pupils, they will comes under your sixth level. And when these sixth level pupils join another pupils, then these pupils comes under your seventh levels. So friends, this is a biggest opportunity that this application gives us, opportunity to earn till seventh level. So friends, this is a biggest earning opportunity. So now I will tell you how the money is distributed. So when you install Champcase, you have to install 8 to 10 apps under Champcase with which Champcase provide you. Suppose each app give you 10 rupees, then per person you will get 100 rupees. Suppose now we will see how 100 rupees is distributed. Suppose you have on level 1. Suppose on first level you earning 50% of that person on first level. On second level you earning 10%, means 10 rupees. On third level you earn 10%. On level 4 you will earn 10%. On level 5 you will earn 10%. On level 6 you will earn 5%, and on level 7 you will earn 5% of that income. So that is the way that this money is distributed. So now we will see how in 7 months we are going to earn 5 crore rupees. So this is the first month. Suppose in first month you have joined 10 pupils. You have doing joining of 10 pupils, and from each person you will get 10 rupees. 50, sorry, if from each pupil you will get 50 rupees, then 10 pupil earning you will get 500 rupees. Okay friends, so when these 10 pupils join another 10 pupils, join another 10 pupils, then in your team second month you will got 100 pupils in your team, and you will got 10% on second level of these 100 pupils, and your monthly earning will be 100 rupees. In third month, when these 100 pupils join another 10 pupils, then in your team you will get 100 pupils in your team, and you will got 10% on level 3, and your monthly earning will be 10,000 rupees. In fourth month, when these 100 pupils join another 110 pupils, then you in your team you will have 10,000 pupils, and you will got 10% of these 10,000 pupils on level 4, and your monthly income will be 1 lakh rupees per month. And in level 5, in fifth month, when these 10,000 pupils join another 10 pupils, then in your team you will have 1 lakh pupils, and you will got 10% of 1 lakh pupils on level 5, and your monthly earning will be 10 lakh rupees per month. Now in 6 month, when these 1 lakh pupils of your team join another 10 pupils, in your team you will have 10 lakh pupils in your team, and you will got 5% of level 6, and your monthly earning will be 50 lakh rupees per month. Now in 7th month, when these 10 lakh pupils join another 10 pupils, then you will have 1 crore pupils in your team, and you will got 5% of level 7, and your earning will be 5 crore rupees per month. So friends, this is your achievement of 5 crore rupees only in 7th month. If these 10 pupils working seriously in your team, I said you can join as many as pupils on your first level, 10, 20, 100, and said them that they have to work seriously. If you work seriously, your team work seriously, my team work seriously, you will seriously got this achievement. And here is, you have to must follow these important rules. First rule is that when you install this application, or your friend install this application, and Champcase recommend you to install 8 to 10 application, you have to open all the apps 1 minute. Minimum time is 1 minute. Each app you have to open 1 minute, then you will got the earning. Second rule is, there is no shortcut to earn money. Shortcut means you can't hack this application. If you try to hack or use any modded version or VPN to hack this application, then Champcase will block your ID. So this is my opinion. Don't try to use any shortcut, otherwise you will lost all your earning. So don't try to hack this application. Third rule is, you no more joining from your mobile. Means if you have installed or joining, if you have joined from your mobile, then don't try to join another account from your mobile. If you have joined one ID from your mobile, then don't try to join again from your mobile. Okay friends, so please understood this. Now there are many more other ways to join earning from your team. Here is earn more tab. If your friends are earning more from earn more tab, if they install more application, then you will also got commission from their earning here. And there is income junction, shopping and earn, ad junction. There are many ways by which you will got earning regularly from your team. So friends, this is the biggest earning application I have seen and working. As soon as I will very shortly make a video of my earning in 20 to 25 days. So friends, join my team, use this sponsor ID when it will ask when you install this application. So friends, if you have liked this video and have any question, please ask in comment, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I have regularly uploaded the videos about earning bitcoins, how you can earn bitcoins genuine income, and because this is our future currency. So connect with my team, join my team, subscribe this channel, and I will always share genuine income, only genuine income plan. So friends, thank you for watching.